Hey y'all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be finishing up the wig revamp that I uploaded on our shorts. It will be linked down below if you missed that process, but this is a custom wig, purple, bluish vibes. It's real cute, real bright, real vibrant, something different. And so we're just going to go right in. I'm curling this unit and we're going to do an install start to finish, so enjoy the video. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. First we want to cut off those little thick tabs on the side, and you kind of want to cut those at an angle, and then I'm going to go ahead, put the wig on, and we're going to cut this lace off. It's really simple, really easy. My custom wigs come 100% ready to wear. They come custom fit and glueless. Fully customized. You can do everything to this unit. You can customize how the plucking looks, the baby hair, the styling, the inside construction, whether you want a wig comb, etc., etc. Everything is on my website. It's really simple. You basically just go on there and you order your custom wig, and then you will be sent a questionnaire in your thank you email, and that is how you add all of your customizations. So this is the purple unit. Like I said, we're just going to keep going into this install and get right into it. I'm not going to talk too much throughout this process. I'm going to just let y'all vibe out with me.
Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South Detroit came bossing in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Moving so fast, don't hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but ain't too much, don't play yourself. I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you feel different when you with me, tell me anything. Compliment my energy, it's different laying next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the dope. Baby, no, I can't get no fucks. You know with all the rugged heavy. Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy west side of Compton came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Ooh, he bossy, ooh, he grip walking to me, just lost, and then he slapped me on the way that I got. Oh, problem, get too back in me, got all that action, go and mishandle it. You know I'm hella different from them chickens you've been tricking on. Can be a ride or die, get thuggish, rugged, bold. Look me, boy, I'm good in every hood. Make it fun, I'm rolling backwards. Just trying to show you what it would be like if you my man. Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South of somewhere came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Going money fast, tryna make it last. Going money fast.
And let's just say the girls that be saying transparent lace don't give, non-existent, they lied. Okay, y'all just don't know what y'all doing, but that's okay. I'ma teach. Subscribe, turn on your post notification bells, and you will never miss another upload, and you can be installing wigs just like me.
Young and he fine and he tall and he handsome. Talking so fine, I might hold it for ransom. Put it in drive, I'm not shy, I'm a lecture. 'Cause all night, going money fast, I don't make it last. You don't stick it all now. Now I'll be ready, still it was worth it. I would do it again. I couldn't love everybody, but you vision anybody. You look at me different, so I let you see my body. Running, and now we don't stick it all now. Now I'll be ready, still it was worth it. I would do it again. I couldn't love everybody, but you isn't anybody. You look at me different, so I let you see my body. Running, and now we don't speak at all. Now I'll be ready, still it was worth it. I would do it again. I couldn't love everybody, but you isn't anybody. You look at me different, so I let you see my body.
As you can see, like I said, 100% glueless custom fit, okay? Super snug, really easy to wear, really easy to install, and this is the finished look. Let me know what you think about this look down below. Leave a comment and make sure you subscribe for more videos and you don't miss out on the heat we are about to drop.
Everybody, but you isn't anybody. You look at me different, so I let you see my body. Running.